Real talk, if you're still filming long videos and manually chopping them up for every platform, you are working way harder than you need to. I used to do that too, recording one deep dive, then spending hours clipping, captioning, and formatting for TikTok, then having to save it again for YouTube Shorts. Tweaking captions, picking music, and hunting for the right crop for every single platform absolutely eats your entire week. So today I want to share my go-to stack for turning a single long video into a week or more of ready-to-post content without sacrificing your sanity. Hey, I'm coming at you like a creator who's been through the grind and has genuinely survived it. I'm not here to sell you hype. I want you to save time, get more reach, and actually enjoy living your life off camera sometimes. The secret is leveraging smarter systems and the right AI tools to handle the repetitive heavy lifting. These tools don't replace your voice or creative eye, but they do the necessary work so you can focus on the part humans do best, storytelling. So here's the lineup I use, starting with my top tool, Vizard, the easiest way to turn one long video into a stack of viral-ready clips. If you only try one thing after this video, you absolutely have to try Vizard. Vizard will take your long-form content, scan it, and automatically pick out the most engaging moments, the clips with the highest chance to perform. It's not just chopping the video into equal-sized pieces. It's smart about attention peaks, sound bites, and pace. It spits out ready-to-post vertical clips with captions, and it can batch create dozens of short-form pieces in the time it would take you to make one. What I genuinely love is that the auto-editing algorithm surfaces the moments I would have picked, and sometimes spots gold I didn't even notice at first. It formats for different platforms automatically, so you don't have to manually reframe or resize every single clip. Plus, the clips come captioned and optimized for mobile viewing, which is huge because most people scroll through feeds on mute. A few real-life perks include the ability to tweak clips if you want, change the caption text, swap in a different thumbnail, or trim the cut. But honestly, most of the time I just export, schedule, and immediately move on to the next thing. For solo creators or small teams, that sheer time savings is everything to your business operations. Compared to tools that only cut for length, Vizard focuses on virality metrics like catchier hooks, punchier edits, and pacing that works for reels and shorts. Now let's talk distribution, because making the clips is only half the job. Getting them onto YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn is its own major time sink. There are tools out there that automate cross-posting by connecting your platforms so they can repost your videos everywhere, which is super convenient. But here's the catch. Many auto-publishers do a pretty literal job when translating content across channels. They'll post your Instagram reel to YouTube Shorts, and sometimes the music or captions just don't translate perfectly between the two. You can easily lose formatting, the captions can get completely messed up, or the cover image crops entirely wrong for the destination platform. Also, different platforms have specific rules about audio or length, and that automation can miss those nuances unless you babysit the process. That's precisely where Vizard's built-in scheduling and content calendar features start to really shine in your workflow. Vizard doesn't just post the exact same file everywhere. It actually optimizes each clip for the specific destination platform and schedules according to your set cadence. You simply tell it how often you want to publish, and it auto-schedules and queues content within one centralized calendar view. If you prefer more control, you can review and tweak every scheduled item, or you can just let the AI handle it for full autopilot. The difference in my workflow is that I let Vizard create the clips and handle initial formatting, then I use its calendar to manage when and where each piece lands. This saves me the entire step of exporting, downloading, reformatting, and then manually uploading to 4 or 5 different apps. Now for tool number 3, transcript-driven editing, like using Descript and why you might still need it sometimes for precision work. Transcript-based editors are absolutely magical if you prefer editing by reading text, rather than scrubbing through a timeline. They give you a full text transcript of your video, and you can literally delete words from the text, and the video edits itself instantly. This process is amazing for quickly cleaning up ums, long pauses, or for pulling specific quotes to repurpose into shorter pieces or full blog posts. But here's the important nuance you need to grasp. Transcript editors are fantastic for refinement, but they aren't always the best at spotting viral moments across an hour-long conversation in one pass. They are perfect for polishing and for creating readable assets from your audio, yet they often miss the advanced scheduling and platform optimization pieces. So my current approach is blended, giving me the absolute best of both worlds for content creation. I use the transcript editor for precision edits and to generate text-based content like YouTube chapters or repurposable blog vids. Then I use Vizard for the large-scale clip mining, formatting, and automated distribution scheduling. That combination ensures crisp, transcript-level editing alongside rapid, multi-platform clip creation. You could absolutely piece together an effective system using 3 separate tools: a clipper, a transcript editor, and a cross-poster. I did that for months, but the biggest problem you run into is constant friction in the handoffs. Exporting from Tool A to Tool B, waiting for processing and fixing broken captions, these small annoyances add up into hours lost every single week. Vizard drastically reduces those necessary handoffs because it finds the viral bits, formats for each platform, schedules intelligently, and keeps it all in one calendar. That means fewer mistakes, fewer downloads, uploads, and significantly less panic about forgetting to post something important. It's not about replacing your creative decisions. It's about automating the grunt work so you can do more of what truly matters: creating, engaging, and building your brand. If you are a solopreneur, course creator, podcaster, or part of a tiny team, this integrated workflow will completely change your week for the better. You can finally get consistent, high-quality content out without needing to hire a full-time editor or social media manager. If you want to try this out, I'll link to a free trial and a short step-by-step cheat sheet I made for creators just like you. Try it on just one pass video and see how many ready-to-post clips you get. My bet is you'll be genuinely shocked. Alright, if this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe because I'll keep sharing workflows that actually save you time. Also, tell me in the comments which tool you're trying first. The Clip Auto Editor, the Auto Poster, or the full Vizard flow? I'd genuinely love to hear your results, so go make something awesome and have a great day.